Well, hello folks, this is Microsoft Stock. And remember, for the past 30 days, I've been preaching that you want to wait for the pull back, and there we go. See, it broke this resistance, and that's the pullback to retest this level again. And as long as this level hold with its wall, this is a time to start accumulating. Even if you continue to this level, there's ample support here at this point to continue to buy because of the two moving averages, right? And so you can buy here, you can buy here, you can buy there, and then you want to hold it. I'm thinking the next level of this is the 200-ish. If you look at the monthly, as you can see, it is almost there. So the next level is about 200. I see there's nothing here to prevent it from going higher, and so the next level is 200-ish, and if you can hold it longer, and buying at this point is for you to hold it longer. As you can see, the stock has been uptrend ever since, and I believe it's going to break the 200 level price. I hope this helped. This is Microsoft for you people, and I hope this helped. I'll see you next time.